Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Omegle's camera blocked. So if you're having issues using Omegle, like for example, you can't actually see yourself here on Omegle, we have a few solutions that you could use here. So the first solution that we could recommend you is to actually use Google Chrome, because with Google Chrome you'll have tons of control over different websites and your settings. So try that out first, and if that doesn't work, let's go to our second solution. So our second solution is to ensure that no application is currently using our camera. So you first have to click on Control Shift Escape, and from here you want to look for any applications that might be using your camera. So for example, if the camera application is open here on your PC, make sure that you cancel that or you close that, and from here just search other applications that you can close, and once done you could just reload Omegle and try if that works. If that doesn't work, we have our final solution here. In the top right corner you will see the camera icon here. There might be a slight chance that you might have misclicked and actually block the connection or the permission for you to use your camera on omegle.com. So just click on this camera here and go to manage. So under manage you want to go to the omegle.com here, and from here you want to locate camera. So instead of block you want to use allow, and here you want to scroll down a bit to make sure that you are currently giving the proper permissions for this. So once done you can go back, and here you want to choose camera now, and from here you want to make sure that you're using the correct camera. So for example, I have these different cameras here. I have the face rig, virtual camera, we have the animes, we have the Twitch, we have the OBS. So you might be using a different application for your camera, that's why it's not appearing here. So make sure that you choose the correct one, and when you choose the correct one and go back here, and you've already allowed the permissions, like you can see here, allowed to use your camera, you can see Omegle. So that means it should now work. So you just need to load this up, and yeah. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.